Meaning of fruit and nut.
Fruit and nut.
Fruit and nut.
Fruit and nut.
Fruit and nut. Fruit and nut is a term used to describe a type of food that typically contains dried fruits and nuts. It is often associated with trail mix, which can include ingredients such as raisins, almonds, cashews, and dried cranberries. These types of snacks are generally considered to be healthy due to their high nutrient content, including fiber, protein, and healthy fats. They provide a quick and convenient source of energy and can be enjoyed as a snack or added to meals like oatmeal or yogurt. Overall, fruit and nut snacks are a tasty and nutritious addition to a balanced diet.